Good evening and a warm welcome to the Heal Security Dispatch Daily Digest, your go-to source for the latest in cybersecurity trends and expert insights, proudly presented by Heal Security. I'm Ed Hall, joining you from London, ready to explore the vital nexus of healthcare and cybersecurity intelligence today. Today is Monday the 30th of March 2026. Join me as we explore the complex terrain of cybersecurity in the digital world. The CareCloud 2026 data breach involves a cyber attack on the healthcare technology provider that exposed sensitive patient and business data, potentially including personal and medical information. The breach is part of a growing trend of attacks on healthcare platforms, where attackers exploit vulnerabilities or misconfigurations to access large datasets, raising concerns about identity theft, regulatory compliance, and long-term privacy risks for affected individuals. The TA446 hacking group, believed to be linked to Russian state-sponsored activity, is using the DarkSword exploit kit in targeted spear-phishing campaigns against iOS users. The campaign delivers sophisticated exploits through malicious links, enabling attackers to compromise devices, steal data, and maintain persistent access, highlighting the increasing availability of advanced exploit kits, once limited to nation-state actors. The European Commission suffered a significant cyber attack attributed to the ShinyHunters group, which claimed to have stolen a large volume of data, reportedly hundreds of gigabytes, from EU systems. The breach underscores ongoing risks to government infrastructure, with attackers exploiting vulnerabilities to exfiltrate sensitive institutional data and potentially disrupt operations or expose confidential communications. Developers on GitHub are being targeted by a malware campaign using fake Visual Studio Code security alerts posted in project discussions. These messages trick users into downloading malicious files disguised as updates or fixes, leading to system compromise and credential theft, demonstrating how social engineering is increasingly tailored to developer ecosystems. A critical vulnerability in Citrix NetScaler, CVE-2026-3055, is being actively probed by attackers and can allow unauthorized data leakage through a memory overread flaw. With a high severity rating, the issue affects NetScaler ADC and gateway systems, and organizations are being urged to patch immediately to prevent exploitation and potential exposure of sensitive data. A stored cross-site scripting XSS vulnerability in Jira Work Management allows attackers to inject malicious scripts that execute in users' browsers when viewing compromised content. This flaw could enable session hijacking, data theft, and unauthorized actions within Jira environments, emphasizing the importance of input validation and timely patching in widely used collaboration tools. A vulnerability in 40-client EMS is being actively exploited in the wild, allowing attackers to gain unauthorized access and potentially execute malicious actions within enterprise environments. The flaw highlights ongoing risks in endpoint management systems, where exploitation can lead to lateral movement, data compromise, and broader network intrusion if not promptly mitigated. Multiple vulnerabilities in Grafana have been identified, including critical issues that could allow remote code execution, RCE. If exploited, attackers could take control of affected systems, access sensitive monitoring data, or pivot deeper into networks, making it crucial for organizations to update their Grafana instances and apply security patches quickly. Thank you for listening. I'm Ed Hall. We appreciate your time and listening. I'm excited to have you with us again tomorrow for more insightful updates. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe for continuous coverage and expert analysis, and sign up for a free trial of Heal Security Desktop at healsecurity.com. Until we meet again, don't have nightmares, stay informed and secure in the digital world.